बस subject plot of land. My lord, your lordship directed to provide adequate police protection, my lord. My lord, we were the respondent number 5 in the instant petition, but my lord, whether intentionally or not intentionally, we have not been served, my lord. So, my lord, we could not appear. My lord, this petition is absolutely frivolous, my lord, and my lord, to mislead the court, my lord, because my lord, these several litigations are pending with regard to this plot of land, and with the intention to possess, to take possession of the land, my lord.
File an application.
My lord, your lordship has already passed the order, my lord.
File an application. I cannot in the
My lord, your lordship kindly considers, my lord.
What consideration?
8 to 10th is the order passed, my lord.
So order.
The matter is on 18th, my lord.
State was represented.
State was represented only, my lord. But my lord, the possession will be taken by him, my lord.
How can that position be?
My lord, he is constructing with
to come up with a recalling application, even if the puja is there, puja is for a limited purpose.
8 to 10th, my lord.
Take out an application, come. Yes.
Well, let it appear on Monday then, man.
No.
My lord.
Take out an application. Have you taken out an application? How will it appear on Monday?
If your lordship kindly allows me,
why you should allow? You have a right to file an application or not?
My lord.
To file it.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention the matter for inclusion in the daily?
No mentioning. Only urgent matters are allowed.
Lordship, may I be permitted to mention a matter in person, your lordship? Lordship,
today is not the date I have given it.
Lordship, the matter is listed on Monday, your lordship, and it's been 3 months. I have not got any relief from the police. So kindly list it on the because the bench has been changed. So kindly list the matter on Monday, your lordship. That is the only prayer.
That inclusion you should have come earlier. Today I am not going to take any inclusion except urgent matters.
Lordship, it's been the order earlier. The one order has also been passed. It has
you
to be
can pursue it, madam. Once I have said something, I'll stick to that. Yes.
So I'm seeking leave to file a matter, your lordship, urgent matter, your lordship. Since
what is the
this copy is urgency is that your lordship, petitioners are, your lordship, organizing a religious programs, and they sought for a permission from the police, your lordship. That was denied. That was not entertained, your lordship, since they invited one.
What religious program?
It's that is called also Jalsa. Jalsa at Matihara, your lordship, Bangon. Bonga, your lordship.
You have dispute with any private party?
No, your lordship. That
you are suppressing. People are complaining. All the petitioners are suppressing the private respondents.
No, I have taken NOC, your lordship, from the persons whose your lordship grounds is the program will be held. NOC has already been given, your lordship. Private party doesn't have any problem.
Need a court permission.
Now, your lordship, since they have invited one religious guru, your lordship, that is Abbas Siddiqui. So therefore, your lordship, the police is actually are not entertaining to give permission, your lordship. That is the thing.
There is a rejection of the police.
There is no rejection, your lordship. They intimated to the police, your lordship. However, that was not, your lordship, entertained. That
what
permission
is not entertained? That means there is a refusal.
Yes, lordship. There is no refusal, your lordship. They sought for a permission that was not entertained, and that
was not entertained means what, sir?
Informal, your lordship, rejection was given. No formal rejection is given, your lordship.
Formal rejection is required.
So how?
Formal rejection, sir. This on air I cannot pass an order. File the matter. It will come in due course. No urgency.
So your permission, sir.
Yes.
So regarding that last date, that original suit was not, the file was not being available. Then I went to Justice Rajeshri's court. They said the file ta nabiye diye che, the original suit 773.
That I have communicated with the originals. That those matters will come on 14th 2 p.m. 14th 2 p.m. 14 November. Come on that date.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention one inclusion, my lord?
No, have you seen the list?
Yes, my lord.
What is written over there?
No.
Item number 1.
Chalo, no adverse order naki no order. Bhalo kotha. Chalo, second time kono mamla ডাকবো না, তাতে list ডাকুন.
Item number 2.
My lord, I am for.
There is another private respondent. They are not there, sir. Come Monday.
There
is one.
I'm for the state.
You?
State.
Like some respondent was appearing over here.
My lord, your lordship, last occasion, directed, my lord, this is fully refreshed, your lordship, my lord.
There is a third, respondent number 7 and 8 appeared on the last occasion.
Yes, they were there.
Come, you have taken a resolution, sir. What can I do? This is the difficulty. Again, backlog will start.
My lord, it will retain its position, my lord. My last occasion they submitted a report. May I have a copy of that report?
I can. This is the previous report. Your Lordship, please to direct me to come with a new report.
Today, my lord, your lordship directed the matter to submit a report by the state to ascertain money belongs to whom. This is the only thing.
There is an issue regarding non-payment of labor also. I will consider that, sir. I've gone through the file. Money was definitely by pressure taken from you as per the
Yes.
prosecution case, but they were dues of the person who were accused in the case.
No.
They were your subcontractors.
My lord, if they claim that money, they can take it, my lord, by my lord, under the due process of law. But in this way, by extortion,
We'll see.
if my lord they have any claim over me, they can, my lord,
Please come on Monday.
exert that by.
We'll consider respondent number 7
But
and
kindly recall, my lord, that even the bank, Supreme Court has deprecated that practice, forcible possession of the vehicle if there is default in the payment of EMI.
all right. We'll see, sir. Respondent number 7 and 8 is not appearing. I see.
It's an investigation stage, my lord.
But they
Last occasion they appeared.
appeared. This is the
Accused person.
Sir, you are taking resolutions. The resolutions are such that the language are changing regularly. No orders in the absence. I am happy. No orders to be passed.
But that, my lord, money belongs to me. He was extorted. And still that money lying.
All right, please come on Monday, Mr. Mosto. I'll hear your matter. No issue. Next matter, Dakun. কোনটা?
আমার টাকা নেবো তাহলে তোমার স্টেটের কি অপরচুনিটি ও তো থাকবে
দিয়ে দেবেন
ও তো থাকবে
next
But it will retain its position, my lord. Reported copy দিয়েছেন একটা রিপোর্টের কপি দিয়ে
item number 3 private respondent is present.
Well, he is there.
my lord, he is here, my lord.
You are for this.
He is here.
Oh, this is
আইটেম নাম্বার 2 তে এসে গেছে 2 তে এসে গেছে প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট
রেখে গেছে টু প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট রেখে গেছে Last order, your lordship kindly have a glance through.
Let me see the report which you have prepared, Mr. Shamal.
Earlier occasion I handed over one, but this is the new one. না না নিশ্চয়ই আপনার
Which paragraph is new?
my lord, third page top.
Register, cut, copy, paste.
No. But third page blood top, my lord. Actually started from my lord, second page last paragraph.
Oh, that is all right. So what is left in the matter for you to submit the charge sheet?
Nothing.
Huh?
TDR, SDR, everything has been collected, 91 collected.
So why are you not filing the charge sheet?
Lord, there is
one report, final report or charge sheet?
Charge sheet.
Well, why are you not filing?
Lord, there is no reason behind this, Lord. That can be filed, Lord. This is the CD your lordship was.
No CD. আমি বুঝে গেছি মামলা। হ্যাঁ।
My lord, one thing is very significant. Have your lordship seen in the report, they have set it. What is the place of occurrence?
It's all right, but now the investigation is going on. But you have not frozen the bank account of 14 lakhs.
That has been frozen, my lord.
No. Your bank refused, you did not pursue that. You are going soft with the accused persons.
That's why, my lord, place of occurrence has not been mentioned.
Why I am saying you are going soft? Have you seen your earlier report?
My lord.
See the second last page and the last page. You prior to that, the page prior to that, sir. You see how you have contradicted in your report.
The report they signed on 4th October, my lord.
Signed on 8th October.
No, এটা জুলাই এই আগস্ট
I have 8th November. One is, my lord, 4th October, one is 8th November.
This is under
This 13 of
Raju Vishwa's signature 8th of October. This is your report which you have
8th
given.
of October মানে ভ্যাকেশনের আগের দিন যে রিপোর্টটা দিয়েছে
ভ্যাকেশনের দিন
Have you got that?
রিপোর্টটার কপি
Got that
No,
report?
my lord, I have the 8th November. 8th November, 4th October. I have two reports. 4th October and 8th November.
no, earlier this report was submitted.
4th October, 8th November.
আচ্ছা আমারটা নিন এটা একটু দিন তো ওকে see the second last page
My lord.
from the middle paragraph. Isn't it? You are
Day after they surrender before the court and released on bail, my lord.
so that you
How released on bail, I have
gave the way. What is the report? Isn't the report reflecting that you have your experience in the criminal courts?
I must not open my mouth with regard to this, my lord.
that's the reason, my lord, I am playing, my lord, the case of continuous mandama.
My lord.
What are you wanting? The money back?
My lord,
So how much? What are you going to give as a bond?
14 lakhs.
No, 14 lakhs already. What are you going to submit as bond?
Public hand.
as bond
Bond, security.
Whatever you like.
Furnish a bank guarantee, take the money. Let them furnish a bank guarantee, money will be secured.
Money, my lord, admittedly belongs to me from the statement of the bank. It appears, my lord. Kindly look at, my lord, page 62.
Payment has been done only for payment of labor.
But that's the way of taking the money.
No, I am not taking the money. They have only voluntarily.
Voluntarily.
কোন জায়গায় নেওয়া
There
হয়
is a phone, there is a voluntary may be a very simple word to say.
After depositing, they close the complaint. After depositing,
Who deposited that?
person the petitioner.
Petitioner deposited that?
Yes.
Huh?
Not the given.
Deposited that and are forced to deposit that.
From the first report, my lord, it appears, my lord.
That is not good. Allegation is good.
All right. How much the IO will help you, we'll see.
That is not the good.
We have,
Why I can say? Investigation is completed.
you walk in.
All the things is-
Sir, all right, we understand. Then I am, this way the bails are being granted by Alipur court.
Yeah.
You are teaching me. You walk in a case of this nature and you are granted bail on the same day. After rejection of anticipatory bail by a superior court.
No.
No.
Anticipatory bail was granted.
Anticipation has been granted, my lord. The surrender and got.
Sir, come to the top of this.
The language is different, my lord, but the surrender and released on bail.
Surrender released on bail, but anticipatory was rejected by the sessions court.
ওইটাই তো বলছে judge।
তাহলে
Not by the High Court.
রিপোর্টে এরকম লিখেছে বোঝা যাচ্ছে না ঠিক মতন ক্লিয়ার না
দেখাও
That is not
অ্যাডভোকেট কে
সেটা তো
সব
আমাদের
পুলিশ অফিসার কে দিয়ে তো ইনভেস্টিগেট করাচ্ছে সি দ্য টপ
by the sessions court.
Relationship between the IO and the accused is very cordial. Sessions court will reject the anticipatory bail. He'll walk into the magistrate court and get a regular bail.
সেশনস কোড ওটাই লিখেছে
ওটা রিপোর্টে ভুল লিখে দিয়েছে
আবার সাপ্রেস করে নিয়েছে তাহলে if this is your
No, my
instruction.
lord, I must be, my lord, candid to your lordship, my lord. They've got the anticipatory bail before the sessions.
But maybe after suppressing the first rejection.
That
may have done that.
This is the culture of that court.
I'm the worst sufferer, my lord, from there. And my lord, in the first report, they have said
Already
the investigation has revealed.
So subject matter so far as the amount is concerned is 14 lakhs. He'll furnish a bank guarantee of 14 lakhs
Yes,
and the amount of 14 lakhs will be released in his
my
favor.
lord.
Bank guarantee will be till the end of the trial of the case. So if it is his money, money is secured.
Yes.
চলে আসুন. All right. And don't pray for modification of the order subsequently, I'm telling you.
No, I shall not. My lord, matter will be kept pending.
No, why?
My lord, this is a case for continuous mandamus. I can show to your lordship, my lord, number of judgments. My lord, kindly see.
What are you wanting? You are not an accused. You want the charge sheet to be submitted.
Yes,
Then what will you be wanting?
but they will not submit charge sheet, my lord.
Yes, we will.
They will not. In the report, they did not.
So if they file a final report, I can't ask them to file a charge sheet.
No doubt of that. But report in final form to be submitted.
It's fine.
That's the reason, my lord.
I am directing that.
Completion of the investigation, my lord.
I am directing that I will be recording his submissions that the investigation is almost
On
complete.
the report to be submitted before your lordship.
Why not?
My lord, it is a case for continuous mandamus. My lord, I can show to your lordship, my lord, these circumstances.
By
appear
way
so
of
same.
mandamus, what I will do? You tell me. What is the final? I have got to pass an
My lord,
order.
if your lordship find,
You are a complainant.
yes.
You are a complainant. You are not wanting for quashing of the proceedings.
No. I am not. I am asking, my lord, that fair and proper investigation. Here, my lord, your lordship is surprised to see in the no report, place of occurrence was mentioned. Because place of occurrence.
That under 173(8) at the appropriate stage, how can you say that right now?
But if it is kept pending, my lord.
No, I am saying since the investigation is at the verge of completion as submitted by the state within 60 days, preferably the report in final form will be placed before the jurisdictional court.
Before the
Jurisdictional court. The subject matter primarily which has raised grievance of the petitioner relates to the quantum of rupees 14 lakhs and the manner in which the same was obtained. To that effect, what is the number? What is the case number, sir?
case number to
that effect, this is Mathurapur PS case number 05. To that effect, Mathurapur PS case number 05/24 dated 6/1/2024 was registered for investigation under section 341, 386, 506, 120B of the Indian Penal Code. Full stop. The investigating officer, as is reflected from the report, has been able to trace out the amount of rupees 14 lakh, which has been presently in the account maintained with Central Bank by one Shanot Kumar Majhi. Full stop. State would furnish the account details to the learned advocate appearing for the petitioner. Full stop. Learned advocate appearing for the private respondent number 7 and 8 opposes the contention and submits that there were dues in respect of labor payment for which the said amount was paid. However, since the criminal case has been registered and the investigation is continuing, and the petitioner having financial crunch as submitted aid by the learned senior advocate appearing for the petitioner, I direct the learned judicial magistrate to release the amount of rupees 14 lakhs in favor of the petitioner subject to a bank guarantee of the same amount being furnished by the petitioner, which will be till the end of the trial of the case.
Well, may I make
Full
one?
stop. Yes.
Money is still lying in the bank. If your bank is party, if your lordship direct the bank to remit the amount to my account on furnishing bond before the learned HCA.
No, actually, difficulty, Mr. Bank guarantee, you have got to say the time period.
Yes.
Otherwise, the bank guarantee will not be created. Now, that would be between the bank and the person concerned.
My lord, difficulty is, my lord, if your lordship direct SDJM, normally, I do not know whether the investigating agency, my lord, has seized the money.
They have not seized the money.
Then my lord, your lordship direct the bank to remit the money.
No, but then
kindly look at my lord page 6.
Found that on 18. But this is an admitted fact that the amount of 14 lakhs
Yes,
lying in the amount of Shanod Maji's account. This has been the report of the case.
Kindly look at page 62.
No, this in the report, today's report also you have admitted, second last page bottom. So I have recorded that this is admitted fact.
Admitted. So my lord, direct the bank to remit the amount, my lord, to my account.
By bypassing the jurisdictional magistrate, I will not do
My
that.
lord, lordship knows best, my lord.
No, see.
Code 57, if we file an application.
I'm not asking you that to file an application. I have said you will furnish the bank guarantee. Magistrate has got no discretionary power now.
All right. Only we shall furnish the bank.
Bank guarantee, yes. As is
bank magistrate will direct the.
Yes, as is done in bail case, we grant the bail.
Yes.
Bond is furnished before the court below. Full stop. However, the aforesaid direction is without any prejudice to the rights and contentions of the parties, and the respondent would be at liberty to place his case at the appropriate stage regarding the quantum, which is a part of the investigation. So, with the aforesaid observations, WPA 19790 of 2024 is disposed of. Reports are submitted, be kept with the record, server copies. Oh, একটা কথা একটু উপরে লিখে দিন তো। Learned advocate appearing for the state submits that substantial materials have been collected and the investigating authority is almost in a position to submit their report in final form. Having considered such submissions of the learned advocate appearing for the state, I direct that the investigating agency would preferably in the circumstances within a period of 2 months from the from date submit the report under section 193 of the BNSS or 170 or 173 of the CRPC.
BNSS ये तो पुराना একটা মামলা
No, it is one under old act.
Under old act, my lord. On
তাহলে
January it was registered.
under section 173 করে দিন।
Yes.
The lordship has
And your
directed
lordship directed only to furnish the bank.
হ্যাঁ
directed the state to furnish a account details for the purpose of depositing the bank guarantee.
otherwise how will you
My lord, kindly clarify that, my lord. For the
My
purpose,
proper account is concerned, my lord, from the
You
bank.
have said
statement
central
it appears,
bank.
my lord.
Central Bank of Shanod Maji money is there, sir. That is what you have said in the report.
yes, yes,
No,
lord.
how it was transmitted, that will appear from the bank statement. Page 62, my lord, is
So,
very clear.
let me understand what is he saying. You are safe now. What is your problem? Tell
Your
me.
lord, no problem. Your lordship has directed the state to furnish a bank account details
To the learned advocate for
petitioner.
the petitioner.
for the purpose of bank
The
guarantee.
bank guarantee will if
Yes,
they have got to write the account details
I want
from
to-
where yes that is
So I shall furnish my lord bank guarantee in respect to 14 lakhs.
which that would be in connection with that account.
Yeah, yes.
Central bank account.
So you require the account of Shanod Maji's bank account.
They have the details.
we have
I have details, man.
Okay.
From the bank transaction. Get to.
Item number 3.
Lord, I am waiting for the state respondents.
My lord, may I give one election or not? Liberty to my lord if any occasion.
That is always there. You take out an application, I'll definitely entertain that.
This is that matter, my lord, where two persons were same and identical.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ দেখি এটা Yes, Mr. Bhattacharya.
Well, that matter. I've taken instructions, Milord. The instruction is, yes, they are married couple, but Milord, this lady whom I am seeking to represent, she is not staying there. That man is staying with some other lady, Milord, in the house.
Which is first wife.
First wife or whatever wife, Milord. The fact
Since
remains,
this
Milord,
issue has cropped up, I must clarify that lady under reference, is his first wife.
So what is your claim now?
Milord, let me Milord, first submission to your lordship is this submission was not advanced to your lordship. It was
This
suggested.
submission was also
was
there in the
suggested-
writ application.
It was
That is staying
suggested.
with someone else.
It was suggested to your lordship that they have been staying together in the same house. That is the report.
Yeah.
Now, when Milord, on being pointed out that Milord, the gentleman, the private respondent and Ripon are the same persons, Milord, your lordship wanted me to take instructions. I've taken instructions. The instruction is, Milord, yes, admittedly, the person, Milord, I seek to represent, the petitioner, was married by the private respondent at some point of time. Thereafter, Milord, she purchased the land on her with her own money, Milord, of the private respondent, who incidentally might be the husband. Thereafter, Milord, a house was constructed thereat, and thereafter, Milord, she started staying there. One fine day, she was thrown out.
No, but then you see, your synopsis is completely wrong. Your synopsis is completely wrong. The facts you have represented over here in the writ petition.
Yes, in the writ petition, Milord, I do not buy things, Milord. I am telling your lordship this fact that, Milord, the private respondent and the writ petitioner were at some point of time married.
So therefore, the private respondent is throwing out the petitioner.
Yes.
Is this your case?
Yes.
Then come up with withdraw this
My
because
lord-
you have facts narrated over here. I have no issues, sir.
Yes.
The facts that you come to your writ petition.
No, I do not say it.
My lord, come what may, since the lady has approached us, my lord, and since upon inquiry we have found that there are chances for the lady to get evicted, we have initiated, my lord,
Get
proceedings.
evicted, but she has been evicted.
No. We have initiated proceedings under section 126 and 135(3), my lord. It is in page, my lord, page 3
To
of
come
the
up with a fresh
writ
writ
application.
sir.
I'll come on Monday.
Because your narration of your narration
Full fact
because your narration of facts are completely.
Milord, kindly grants me a liberty, Milord, I'll come back.
You withdraw this application.
Yes. Withdraw করবো তো?
Because you have said that you have been thrown out. You and your husband has been thrown out.
Yes.
This is the
That is
genesis
wrong.
of that.
That is wrong. That is wrong.
Husband has thrown me out.
Milord, kindly pardons me, Milord. And I am telling, Milord, seeking apology.
Happens in profession. Asha, Mr. Bhattacharya, learned advocate A8, appearing for the petitioner, intends to withdraw the present writ petition and prays for liberty to file afresh. Mr. Ghosh, learned advocate 8, appears and represents the state. Your report, fresh report
My
only.
lord,
The earlier report only.
No. The earlier report will not do, my lord, since the allegations will be
Mr. Ghosh,
different.
learned aid advocate A8 appears on behalf of the state. Accordingly, WPA 24466 of 2024 is dismissed as withdrawn. Liberty is granted to the petitioner to approach this court afresh.
Grateful, my lord. My lord, the report filed by me in this application may be kept with the
That was earlier.
My earlier
That
order.
is in the earlier order. It is there.
Only one humble.
File.
My learned friend, Milord, very rightly points out, Milord, on instructions I am submitting that it be withdrawn. And Milord, as a with petition, I am asked, just putting this place. And may I get a copy of the report
Of
informally?
course, why not?
Thank you.
Grateful, my
Item number 4.
But I beg to appear for the petitioner.
Yes.
But on the last occasion, yesterday, your lordship had asked for the earlier orders passed by this honorable court. These were the two occasions, a writ petition subsequently that went up in appeal that was upheld by this honorable court, division bench. There was the same place wherein the sit-in demonstration was allowed for a period of 3 days. Now, pursuant to your lordship's direction, we have already mailed it to this Howrah Improvement Trust. We have come to know yesterday only that the KMD has taken over the HIT. So we have also mailed it to the Kolkata Municipal Development Authority also.
Mr. Banerjee, ask your state to come up with a concrete picture regarding demarcation of areas for this sit-in demonstration and agitation.
Absolutely. I'll tell you, Lordship, may I say this, since your Lordship has said this, as far as demonstrations are concerned, there are a number of places which are earmarked, where we do not. We just do is.
No, but then come out with a notification so that that can be. What happens is that you don't allow a particular organization.
But I'm telling you, Lordship, with this much, your Lordship can record my submission. As far as this particular area is concerned, this Novanno bus stand, no political party has ever been allowed. No. And I said no. I've taken instruction even yesterday night.
But they are not a political party.
Yes. I am saying that grievance is usually political parties. Let us face facts.
No, it's not political party.
Nobody. Very well. When I say this, nobody has been permitted. Nobody. Because I'll tell you, Lordship, a few.
That is also, my lord, the Esplanade area, Victoria House, nobody was permitted. It was with the intervention of the court that other political parties were permitted. That is the stance of the state.
Fact remains is that difficulty arises that you don't allow a particular political party and you allow a particular party.
But as far as this bus stop is concerned, I say this with conviction, with all confidence, upon instruction, that nobody has been permitted to hold.
Good. This is for this case. But you come uniformly, you ask your...
No, I follow what your Lordship is saying. Absolutely, I shall convey to the authorities.
You ask your principal secretary for whole of the state and the Commissioner of Police Calcutta or the DG West Bengal for whole of the state, take reports from the SPs, earmark that, and for this city of Calcutta, ask the Commissioner of Police, because police is the ultimate authority who would be responsible for the law and order situation at the ground reality.
Absolutely.
So with consent of these police authorities, you earmark places.
There are certain places earmarked. I'll tell you, Lordship, RR Avenue, where the white channel, if I may.
No, but the difficulty is if two organizations try to make on the same day.
Only thing that
then an alternate may be suggested by the court itself to the organization.
I always, if your Lordship will experience this, when I'm appearing, I always, whenever I say that there is a problem in holding a place, I try to get instruction of providing an alternate place, because simple reason, law is now well settled. Every citizen has a right to protest. Only power the state has is to regulate. Maybe that today you are doing you want point X. No, don't do it at X. Do it at point Y, say 500 meters away or 5 kilometers away. That regulation state has. And my endeavor always is to, your Lordship will experience this, which now is there. And your Lordship can ask everybody that I always try to. It is never a no. It is, please don't hold it here. Have it in this place. And I always try to take instructions on this issue that please have it at a place which it is, today, end of the day, the administration has to control. Even if I don't give permission, your Lordship grants permission, what happens is I have to make sure that everybody is safe. The onus is on me. The police has to make sure that all those who are gathering, whether I've given permission or not, they are safe. It is not that I am bereft of my, that is, but your Lordship will kindly consider that whether, if I am facing a problem, your Lordship will appreciate my problem. That is my only thing. Today, I have this, Supreme Court has repeatedly said, that state can't say no. I repeat this. But, state has a power to regulate. Your Lordship will kindly honor that. I am saying, Novanno bus stand is a, I don't know if your Lordship has been down that road, but it is a limited area. There are so many, I'll tell you, Lordship, bus sector.
Absolutely no, would Lordship will kindly see that.
Gathering of how many persons?
300 persons maximum.
on an average about 50 to 55 buses fly, do multiple trips.
But who are these persons? Group D waiting?
These candidates have been sitting there legitimate. Their matters are pending before this courts also. They have severally made representations before the chief minister. They have asked the chief minister repeatedly to meet their delegation. Chief minister is not meeting them. There are several irregularities conducted in that exams. But these persons are sitting in sit-in demonstration at Shohid Matangini Hazira for a period of more than 2 years.
So Howrah Maidan you will not
No, the only concept, because Nobanno is the state secretariat. We want this to be drawn to the attention of the chief minister. Chief minister is not meeting this candidate.
Now the media is strong.
No, kindly consider their bus stand and everything. This has already been taken care of in the earlier writ petitions. But what 300 people? 300 people.
May I say this?
If you see the spirit of the division bench order,
yes.
Division bench, in fact, since you have started, directed to wrap you up. Just see the order, spirit of the order.
Absolutely.
You had started that, and that is. But this is.
Well, our also, since 11, our all organizers have already started making. Kindly considers this our difficulty. 300 people. We want the chief minister to hear us.
Oh, very good, chief minister. You had been carrying over here.
Yes, nothing. On the carnival days, police ask us to to get up from there, and we are facing huge difficulties on that.
I don't approve this factum to hold demonstrations in sensitive areas.
No, 300 persons.
The law.
No, we don't want.
Then
we undertake
get an approval and endorsement of the court.
We undertake to take care of each and everything. We undertake. I place it on record.
How far is this bus stand from Navanno?
No, not very far away. Not very far away.
Far.
Adjacent.
I am told, I am
not adjacent. That's not exactly the highly sensitive area.
Oh, my friend stays there. He's
He's
saying adjacent.
Adjacent, but not that highly sensitive area wherein it's cordoned by the police and all. No, it's not that area.
The bus stand cannot be cordoned.
Yes. It's not. Absolutely.
Obviously, it has to be outside the security ring, my lord.
Man, that's not a place, my lord, wherein there can be difficulty. Earlier, there had been demonstrations there.
So once there had been only.
Yeah, once, and it was absolutely not problematic. My lord, if your lordship so desires, my lord, 300, we can curtail it up to 200.
I'm not on 300 or 3000.
Yes.
I'm much on the.
No, we can curtail this strength. If your lordship so desires, my lord, we can curtail 300 to 200 also.
No, that would give an approval to the area concerned.
But the area, my lord, kindly considers our difficulty. These persons.
One thing, you break the law and you go for your movement. I have got nothing to say.
Yes, absolutely.
But you.
No, we don't want to do that.
We
don't want to do that. We absolutely don't want to do that. If that be the situation, we could not have. My lord would kindly consider. I would not have said, because earlier there has been instance wherein on one occasion this has taken place. It has not fallen from the state that due to such demonstration there had been difficulties. No, state has not come with such submissions. Earlier also, had there been certain things.
You do at Howrah Maidan, Chief Secretary will attend your delegation. 5-member delegation will give their representation or whatever document to the Chief Secretary. Chief Secretary will attend that. Do it over there.
But Chief Secretary will attend our.
So you 5-member delegation from these 300 people will go and meet the Chief Secretary, and whatever papers they have got to give by way of representation.
Howrah Maidan will be very, because these persons are very small in number.
And you will be given protection over there.
Below Rishi Bonkim flyover, so it is adjacent. Below the flyover.
Kindly catch, but that place is not at all problematic.
Sir, it's not a question of problem or problematic.
Yes, my lord.
You are wanting to draw the attention of the government.
Yes.
That is your ultimate aim.
Yes.
Now, if it is so, state has got inconvenience. Your problem, what you want, your main target is to draw the attention of the government.
Yes.
So you do your demonstration over there. You meet the Chief Secretary and address your problems to the Chief Secretary. That is supposed to at least go a step further towards your target for what demonstration is an agitation.
But may I come back at 11:30 talk with this person? Agitators, I am not the person who can take decisions on this. May I, because since there's a change in circumstance, may I have to take instructions on this? The organizers have to talk to. Just 5 minutes. I'll just come back at 11:30. 11:30 I'll come back to your
8
lordship.
minutes, give him time.
No, I come for this matter.
Ultimately, I'll be solely responsible if I'm.
But they have got to,
Very well,
they have got
11:30
to
I'll come.
understand.
Yes,
They
madam.
have got to understand.
I'll try and make them
Because
understand.
see, so far as my views are concerned, I have no issues regarding demonstration.
Yes.
But ultimately, at the ground level, administration for this program, if it is
My lord, in West Bengal, this is not the thing, my lord. Before the governor house, where there is a promulgation of 144, there was a sit-in demonstration where the police said nothing.
I understand, but an illegality cannot be a precedent.
Yes, I cannot. I did not say that.
An illegality cannot be a precedent, sir. And
But
so,
sadly, in West Bengal, it is.
no, everywhere.
Yes.
I have got nothing to say. But what I am proposing to say, if your target is to draw the attention of the government, then I think
What your
this will
lordship
be-
has said. আমাকে 5-7 মিনিট। হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে।
My lord, I'll just come at 11:30. I'll just come back. I'm deeply obliged.
হ্যাঁ, এটা দেখে দিন।
Item number 5.
Lordship, I am for the red petitioner. Service could not be completed. I seek a week's
But
week.
they have been redressed. He lost, paid for a
accommodation.
One week's time. One week's
lodging
time.
of FIR that has already been lost.
This is regarding water, the supply of the water.
Order দেবো না তো।
Actual lordship.
Monday it will be taken up.
Lordship, kindly keep it on Tuesday.
No order. Tuesday also requires an order.
I am for the private respondent.
He said service not completed. State is there, private respondent is there.
Police, after my lord lodging the FIR, they have intimated us. We have downloaded a copy.
What do you want?
But Lordship, our water has been disconnected. And after filing of this rate, water has been restored. Again, it will be disconnected. We are a flat owner and the other person is a 3 flat owner. So, we have to take water. We can't drink water even. This is the situation.
When do you want the matter to be done? Monday you will do.
Lordship, just a week. I need to, just a week's time.
Kale December. Learned advocate 8 for the, you are wanting some time.
My lord, on Tuesday.
Tuesday হয় না তো আমার পক্ষে। Learned advocate appearing for the.
No, my service is not complete. My service is not complete. No,
Private respondent state.
service is not complete.
Petitioner is not wanting to.
Service
Actual
is-
lordship, actual.
Perhaps my lord, barred by the principles of order 23, my lord. A previous writ petition was filed by him, my lord. The writ petition.
No, that was against corporation, not against police. Different,
Allow me, my lord.
different jurisdiction totally.
Petition, my lord.
Total different jurisdiction. Different set of parties.
430 IPC you have drawn the proceedings.
Yes, 430.
430 বলা।
তো হয়ে গেছে তো এখনই মামলায় কিছু নেই চল। Petitioner prays for an accommodation. Learned advocate of the state and respondent, private respondent is present. List the writ petition in the monthly list of December 2024. So I have a copy. বাজে order করতে হবে। আমার
My lord, would it be your lordship's pleasure, my lord, to
December monthly list.
regarding the maintainability of the writ petition, my lord?
No,
I have
because
adjourned the matter. What maintainability I'll write. He has not.
what is, I'm not being provided water. I can't drink water.
Next.
December. Much of.
Item number 6.
Yes, your lordship, I am appearing for the petitioner.
And for the state lordship.
My lord, this is the affidavit of service. My lord, except 4 and 5, my lord, all my lord served. 4 and 5
You are 4 and 5.
Yes, lordship. 4 to 8. Then represented.
How they-
Your lordship, the short point involved is that, my lord, a suit has been filed by my predecessor before the trial court in respect of the plot of land of 18.3 acres.
Yes, what have you done, madam? State.
Lordship, steps has been taken. Our complaint case has been registered, Lordship.
Complaint case register করেছে কে? How complaint case has been registered?
There has been a complaint lodged by the petitioner. Subsequently, steps has been taken, Lordship, on the basis of that, a complaint case has been registered under section 126 of the.
126 is executive magistrate. কি হবে? Manhandling 126, page 57.
Lordship, kindly comes to the next paragraph, Lordship. There has been no investigation. After investigation, it has been found that there has been no incident of assault.
Oh, no incident of assault.
Yes,
You file
Lordship.
your case
Second last
175.
paragraph.
I can't-
My lord, kindly give that liberty, my lord. I am grateful, my lord.
আচ্ছা।
আরে ওখানে দাও না, তুমি আমি একটা মামলা করছি।
Very serious suppression of facts.
আচ্ছা।
Earlier, the petitioner moved before the learned tribunal. The tribunal called for status report of the land. The BLRO initiated a proceeding and
directed the revenue officer to inquire the spot. Inquiry report submitted, then a hearing was taken place before the BLR.
So that is, I am not dealing with the ownership of the property. I am dealing
No,
with
no.
issues
The
related.
allegation is that the petitioner has resisted from entering into the, they never in possession of the land.
Very good. I am not on the,
That was
I am
suppressed.
not on possession also. I am on the issue relating to assault and manhandling. That the police has come to a conclusion already.
But the entire facts is incorrect and false.
চলে আসুন. আচ্ছা, I'll record that. I'll record your submission. Don't worry.
My lord, we have annexed the order of the tribunal, page 46.
I am not bothered.
Anyway,
Not the order of the BLR.
Petitioner is agree.
order of BLRO.
Aha, this side is like.
What he's saying. God
If you want to address him, go to his house and address him.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I pray apology.
Petitioner is aggrieved by the fact that his representation dated 10/8/2024 with the officer in charge, Sandeshkhali police station, was not acted upon. According to the petitioner, there were specific allegations of violence, physical force, and injuries being inflicted at the behest of the private respondents. Learned advocate for the state has submitted a report. According to the state, such contention of assault
second last paragraph.
were not physical assault could not be substantiated by the petitioner. Full stop.
And no medical reports were also submitted.
Learned advocate for the respondent numbers 428 submits that allegedly there has been insuppression of facts relating to the title and possession of the property. According to the learned advocate for the private respondents, petitioner's case is not maintainable as there has been suppression of facts. So be that as it may, the report reflects that the police authorities, in order to prevent any breach of the peace, has drawn up proceedings under section 126 of the BNSS. Full stop. Having considered the submissions of the petitioner, state, and the private respondents, I am of the opinion that this court is not in a position to invoke this court on an assessment of the facts, is not in a position to invoke the powers under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. However, since a litigant cannot be prevented from approaching a court of law, I grant liberty to the petitioner to approach the jurisdictional criminal court. The jurisdictional criminal court would assess the facts of the case, the materials produced by the petitioner as a complainant, and take a decision and exercise its discretion as to whether directions are required to be passed under section 175(3) of the BNSS or under section 223 of the BNSS.
Deeply obliged.
With the aforesaid observations, WPA number 24734 of 2024 is disposed of.
Only one liberty, my lord, to correct the. My lord,
cost title.
No, my lord, prayer portion A, my lord. That wrong section has been incorporated to correct the BN. My lord. And my lord, a report may be served upon.
A copy of the report we have to both the parties.
Lordship, I only have one copy.
Later on.
That you speak with them.
Deeply obliged.
A copy of the report be handed over to both the parties.
Deeply obliged.
Just 1 minute. Have you just act the meet done? Yes. Not you, not Mr. Banerjee, complete.
I persuaded them. They are agreeable. If your lordship so directs the chief secretary, they can meet with the chief secretary.
Your lordship direct. But the advocate is online.
Yes.
I'm led by the
But I don't think that I need to say anything more.
Right.
Whatever my lord is proposing, my lord, let that order be passed.
My lord, it has to be the chief. The only thing is that once they delegate it to some other, my lord, that would be very difficult for.
5 members and
Yes,
specify
yes,
it out.
yes, yes.
No, chief secretary is there. Chief minister is not
No,
the
no, no.
person to address this given.
Every head of administration has to be the chief secretary.
চলে আসুন দীপক বাবু।
তুমি রবীন্দ্র সেতুর জায়গাটা কোন জায়গাটা বলছো?
Petitioner approached the court with a prayer for arranging a day-night sit-in demonstration protest at location. এটা লিখে দেবেন। Mr. Bagji, learned advocate 8, appearing for the petitioner, was confronted with a question from the court as to what is the purpose of such sit-in demonstration, to which sit-in demonstration at such a location, when the learned counsel replied that in order to draw the attention of the administration, the petitioners who had been for long pursuing their grievance, they intend to arrange at the say aid location full stop in the representation which has been included along with the writ petition. It has been contended that the demonstrators intend to meet the Honorable Chief and announce the end of the program. Full stop. Learned Advocate General and the Learned Senior Standing Counsel appears on behalf of the state. After much deliberations, a consensus has been arrived at. State has proposed that a consensus has been arrived at. A consensus in much deliberation. It seems that the state would be comfortable if such a demonstration is arranged
At Howrah Maidan area under Rishi Bonkim Setu flyover.
এত যে বলছে
আরেকবার বলবো
লিখে দিন হাওড়া ময়দান
আমি মার্ক করে দিয়েছি
লিখে দিয়েছি ওইখানে মার্ক করে দিয়েছি
পেনে মার্ক করে দিয়েছি
ওনাকে দেখান ফুল স্টপ আচ্ছা আচ্ছা learned advocate 8 for the petitioner and the state both contested on the issue. However, in view of the foresaid observation, the following directions are being passed. From 11 to 13 November.
Only one thing, Malat, that place where they have proposed, it's very far away from Navanno.
It is below the flyover.
Malat, Ravindra Setu is actually Malat Howrah railway station, and that's
Has agreed. Why are you opposing?
no Malat. Only thing, it's very far away. But the entire spirit and the Malat, the entire Malat would kindly consider Malat, the entire spirit of the adjacent any place adjacent, let the state any place adjacent to Navanno.
I have any idea. I cannot say regarding it.
But the difficulty is
I don't have, but your client has agreed. Why?
no. Now what they have said, that place is very. I have not just not received instruction. That place is very far away. It's near about the Howrah station. That's this side near. Yes, yes. Ravindra Setu to tai.
No, look at below the flyover. Let's say flyover can't be very far away.
ওই ফ্লাইওভারটা নয় তো ঋষি বঙ্কিম সেতু ফ্লাইওভারটা
I
এদিকে
don't know. Rishi to flyover. I don't have idea. Where is Jayanto Shamanto? Where is he gone?
Yes, he can't personal.
Anybody from Howrah?
it was Google call
হ্যাঁ ঋষি বঙ্কিম সেতু না কি বলছে? But that's not very far away.
Very far away. Howrah station
By
behind Howrah
how many,
station.
not even 1 kilometer.
My lord, it's just behind the Howrah railway station.
Maybe, but how many kilometers from Aban?
I'll just.
1 কিলোমিটার হবে? আরে বলুন না আপনি। আপনি তো জানেন তো। congested area কত হবে?
It's 6 kilometers, my lord. Railway authority.
That is another one. There are two. One is Howrah Moidan area under Rishi Bonkim is of the state, and that he will not have a problem with that. That will not. I'll talk to the commissioner.
But it's about more than 6 kilometers from
No,
there.
no. The 6 kilometers of it is far.
আমি গুগল থেকে দেখলাম।
I have no personal knowledge. I have to say this, but
I searched it from Google, my lord. I found out it's more than 6 kilometers.
6 kilometers, they will do it over here. Why
yes.
they will go
No, they are continuing over. Here is not the issue. This is not 6 kilometers. Then your lordship will allow me that I'll take instructions of what is the distance.
Well, let's come back one, my lord. Let them take.
By one, I have to leave.
Doesn't mean about
5 minutes, you come back.
Let me just find out how.
I'm deeply.
ঝামেলার মামলা যত শুনছি এই গ্রুপ 9 আমার ভালো লাগে না। সেকেন্ড আর ফার্স্ট ব্রিজের ডিসটেন্স কত? এও
Number 7. Time for the petitioner.
Is there any private respondent?
My lord, respondent number 9, 10 service has been completed, but resolution. Tomorrow.
Number 7.
Come, it will be there in the list. Next দেখে যান হবে না তো প্রায় সম্ভবত।
Number 8.
Your Lordship, 8 and 14 have been heard out once, and Your Lordship was pleased to fix it on the 4th of December. Part of that amalgamate.
There is a petitioner. You are for the respondent. Monday come, I'll fix the date again. Because the petitioner is not appeared.
But the only thing is this has appeared on the 6th, and it was heard out, and I think it was a technical mistake that it appeared.
The same matter.
My lord has fixed the other matter relating to the petitioner on 4th of December. That is probably. I don't have any knowledge, but since the petitioner is not there
on the 6th
resolution, lordship kindly take it up on Monday.
Monday I'll pass the order. If it has already passed an order, we'll check it and we'll do it.
9. Number 9. 9 when I am for the respondent number 10.
No, I'm the petitioner, my lord. Matters the petitioner purchase.
Yes, sir. What is your problem?
When the petitioner is purchase the land from the respondent number 8, my lord. But after the purchase, after the line is the respondent number 8 and respondent 9 is entered the property and then the house of the A and torture. But we the application on.
May I?
না আর কিছু বলতে হবে না। You go file your case before the learned magistrate.
Done that.
Huh?
Lordship, the report, the police report was.
That's 163. 163 is no case. Executive magistrate. I'm saying the criminal court.
My lord, this is totally a civil dispute, my lord. Already a
So
civil.
if he proves his case before the magistrate, how can I
Civil
do
suit filed by the respondent number 10. Already injunction is there. I have served the order of the injunction upon them, my lord.
You are creating mental and physical torture upon them. What can he?
My lord, nothing.
Uh-huh.
Both the
চলে
respondent
আসুন চলে আসুন
petitioner.
Learned advocate 8 for
joint
the
property from the
Learned
respondent number
advocate
9.
8 for the petitioner submit
Clear, my
that he is being threatened and abused at the behest of the private respondents. To that effect, he complained with the officer in charge, Mohanpur Police Station. However, till day 8, no action has been taken. Learned advocate 8 for the state has submitted a report wherefrom it reflects that the petitioner approached the learned executive magistrate under section 163(2) of BNSS, and accordingly an inquiry was conducted with a report being submitted before the jurisdictional court. So far as the issues related, learned advocate for the private respondent submit that the private respondents have instituted title suit before the jurisdictional civil court, and to that effect, orders have been passed. So far as the contentions relating to, so as the allegations relating to mental torture, oblique abusive language being hurled, and or the petitioner as being heckled, the same are false and frivolous and may not be taken into consideration. Full stop. Be that as it may, I have taken into account the steps taken by the police authorities, as also the plight expressed by the petitioner. Full stop. Having considered the same, I am of the view the present is not a fit case to invoke the jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Petitioner would be at liberty to approach the jurisdictional criminal court, which would assess regarding the materials in possession of the petitioner and thereafter exercise its discretion in accordance with law under the relevant provisions of section 175 bracket 3 of 3 or section 223 of the BNSS.
They have already preferred 73. 173 already filed by.
What 173? 163.
No.
163 is before the executive magistrate.
Yes.
That's not a criminal court. Next. Learned advocate 8.
126 application they have preferred.
Oh yeah, executive magistrate.
Man.
However, however it is directed, the police would keep a strict vigil and ensure that no untoward incident happens at the instance of either of the parties. Full stop. With the aforesaid observations, WPA number 25295 of 2024 has been
already restrained there.
all right. মার খেয়েছি আবার সিভিল কোর্ট কি করবে?
The civil suit filed prior to that, madam.
That doesn't prevent you from assault.
Both the petitioner and the private respondent, they purchase property.
After injunction, you cannot assault a person.
But the injunction obtained by the respondent number 10.
So after that is why I'm saying after that you cannot assault a person.
No, there is no assault, madam.
How can you say that?
Both
the
client
has said that
petitioner and the respondent, they are residing in the same place.
Next.
Item number 10.
My lord, it is not to be my lord.
But I appear for the state.
Not to be.
Next.
12. Happy.
I'm praying for not dispute service has not been completed yet. Can you keep this matter on Wednesday, your lords?
No, kindly. Monday you mentioned, we'll see. Next, 10.
14.
My lord, 14 is same as item number 8 that you, my lord, are directed to tag all these.
12 lots are big appear on behalf of the private respondent. Item number 12 lots.
8 and 14.
Monday it will retain the position.
Monday.
15. 16. 17. 19.
এই আস্তে আস্তে এর সাথে কোঅর্ডিনেট করো ওখানে 16 লিখছি ইউ আর ফর দ্য চলুন প্রসিড না আপনি 1 by 1 ডেকে যান আর ওর সাথে কোঅর্ডিনেট করে করুন I'll not change the list, I'll keep it as it is.
20. 21.
21, my lord, I appear for the petitioner.
But the other who you have, but is there a private respondent?
Yes, my lord, there is private respondent.
or then come on Monday. Then
Yes.
come on Monday.
Great.
22, 23, 24, 25.
For the private respondent.
You are the state petitioner. Come on Monday, sir. Can't help you. Next again.
26.
26, my lord, I am for the petitioner.
You have a private respondent.
I am for the petitioner.
You have a private respondent in your case or no?
Private respondent আছে
Yes, my lord, there is 3 private
Come on
respondents.
Monday.
27, 28, 29.
come on
This will remain as it.
30.
হ্যাঁ 30 এটা শেষ করি 30 33 পর্যন্ত শেষ করুন Just wait. Come on.
32.
Lord, I am appealing for the petitioner.
Well, I am for the state.
Do you have a private
Yes, my
respondent?
lord.
Come on Monday then.
33.
হ্যাঁ ওদেরটা দিন এবার Yes.
Item 2. I pass out item 4.
Yes.
My lord, I've had a talk with them. They are saying their alternative can be Kajipara, my lord, near the Avni Mall area. That's the place, my lord, we can say. It's a bit far away from Novanno, although it's within the within the periphery of Novanno. Novanno can be seen from there, the Avni Mall area, Kajipara.
I will come back just now.
Speak with him. Let me proceed with the list.
Yes, I'll come back just now because I'll talk to the commissioner just now and come back. Just 1 minute.
Alright. চলুন এটা কোন আপনি ডেকে যান লিস্ট ডেকে যান পদটা কত থেকে ডাকবেন 25282
Item number 74, 75, 76, 77.
77 for the state. The petitioner is.
78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Who is the other side? Come on Monday, sir. Follow the list. Come on Monday. ঠিক আছে
87. 88. 89. 90. 91.
I'm appealing for the petitioner.
For the state respondents.
You have a private respondent or no?
No private respondent, my lord. Person is in custody, my lord. It involves a liberty point.
91.
91. Nurshid Ali to tumar.
Murshid Ali.
Nurshid Ali. My lord, in this case, my lord, your lordship would kindly consider, without following a due process of law, my lord, whether a person can be implicated in this manner in an NDPS act or not. My lord, I'll take one by one through your lordships, my lord, through the documents. Lordship may kindly seize, my lord, first and foremost, the FIR. Lordship may kindly seize the FIR once, my lord.
No. What is your what's the fact?
I'm telling your lordship what is the fact. I'm telling your lordship.
Question of law is what?
I'm telling your lordship the facts, then I'll tell your lordship the law. Petitioner is a businessman. FIR is started alleging that 2 kgs of brown sugar was seized from 5 persons, my lord. Right, my lord? Thereafter that, my lord, this person on the 23rd of June was arrested from his house. While production, the police show that the previous day we sent a 67 notice. He did not comply, hence we arrested. Now, my lord, after he's remanded to police custody, he has a showroom, my lord, where he does his business. From that showroom, my lord, they recover 15 lakh odd rupees cash. No witness there. No videography done, nothing. He was again remanded to further PC. Now on the returnable date, my lord, as per DK Basu's guideline, he was not being produced before the court within time. He was produced subsequently at about 7 o'clock, which is why he was granted interim bail. Now, my lord, what happened is that during that time, the very next day, they come up with a seizure saying that during that intervening time, when he was not being able to be produced on the PC return time, they were doing another seizure at the same showroom finding about 200 grams of brown sugar.
You produce a case diary. I'm passing a direction.
My lord, I am in custody. My prayer, my lord, is number twofold prayers. One, my lord, the showroom CCTV footage, because your lordship will see Kalu Sheikh.
Let me see what they have done first.
It is on record. My lord,
let me see the case diary, sir.
only 2 pages, my lord. Then your lordship kindly.
I'm directing. I can't grant you bail.
No. I'm not. I preferred for bail separately, my lord. I'm not praying for bail also.
Therefore, at this stage, I have got no interim orders to pass.
Only one interim order your lordship has to
Yes.
pass. CCTV footage of the police station and the CCTV footage of the showroom.
That CCTV footage of the showroom, if it is available, that is your showroom.
It is my showroom, but they have, my lord, I'm telling your lordship, there's a public area. It's a public area within which, my lord, there are cameras there. Let them, my lord, at least produce that and the CCTV footage of the police station. It will be clear within 2 minutes.
How many months ago this case started? You were arrested when?
My lord, I'm telling your lordship, I was arrested on the 26th of March 2024. 12 months as per, my lord, judgment. Now the Supreme Court mandates it, my lord.
Lordship, may kindly please.
To produce a case diary. I'll check the case diary and mark the you have
heard. Only one thing. Well, let them, my lord, answer to your lordship whether Kalu Sheikh has been done on. No videography done in this case with regard to my.
I am not posing. Let me see. He cannot improve the case.
Yes.
Let him produce the case diary. And let him mark. He has heard you.
Yes.
Let him mark the relevant pages and answer whatever there is from the case diary itself.
Let the CCTV be preserved at least, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, if available.
A date another 12 months to March. Why are you bothered?
No, my lord, but they will say that they don't have it. My lord, this is a common practice, my lord, over here. They will say that they don't have it. It's being updated. This is the only, my lord.
15 days updated.
15 days updated again. That is the.
It's a regular. I also know that. We'll see. Mr. Mukherjee, learned advocate appearing aim for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has been falsely implicated in connection with the incident and police excesses have been imposed. Learned advocate prays for the CCTV footage of the showroom and other relevant places. Also, be that as a petitioner also complains of being detained beyond the prescribed period under the statute. Full stop. Learned advocate.
Kalu Sheikh's judgment not followed. Lordship kindly marks that as my submission. Justice Bakhti's division bench. That recovery has to be done via videography.
That is your contention, na?
Not done, admittedly.
Admittedly means who? He is not admitting. You are
forwarding report, my lord. I'm telling you, lordship, it is there in the forwarding report.
He's not admitting.
Let me come back with you.
Other side admits.
If they have forwarding report, I'll show one page.
That is your contention. Forwarding report is a draft
of the
police authorities. Now, if you find anything in the case diary,
yes,
and the civic volunteer is typing this, who are operating the computer? In maximum police station, all the civic volunteer
do the report.
কি বলছি? Appearing for the state is directed to produce a case diary. When should I keep this? This will
subject to your lordship's convenience on 19th, 20th. Any day convenient subject to your lordship.
19, 20 is totally jam.
21st.
21st.
25th.
25th.
25 তারিখটা ফাঁকা আছে তো?
My lord, Monday lordship kindly excuse only on
26 তারিখ
my lord.
26 November খালি আছে দেখুন। On 26th of November 2024, when the writ petition will appear under the for orders.
The lordship has called for the case diary. Deeply.
Beyond the prescribed period under the statute. He was detained beyond the prescribed period under the statute. You to complain করেছে তো আর কি করে।
I'm deeply.
Lordship, in this matter, I'm appealing for the petition. But I have only request, my lord, due to Jagadhatri Puja, I have got some difficulties on Monday. Lordship, kindly fix the matter.
Monday, if you don't come, it will go to the December monthly list. What will be there?
Lordship, on Tuesday?
Then they will come and say, not Tuesday. How can I say?
No, well, for the purpose of Jagadhatri Puja in my home. That is my difficulty.
All right, sir, I'm not I'm touching any case in the first month, sir. At most worst order is that it will come in the monthly list of December.
Lordship, I've got urgency. In spite of
হয় সবকিছু
my Monday, if your
resolution
Lordship
urgency.
be kind
I-
enough to
I have got to
Tuesday or Wednesday.
I have got to proceed with the list, sir. Come with a fresh mind. You will have something.
Monday.
If you want to do it, come on Monday. If you don't want to do it, don't have to come. It will automatically go to the monthly list of December. But no adverse order will be passed against the
Lordship.
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, 100টা করে নিন।
94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99.
99, you'll also have for the petitioners.
Come on Monday, sir.
100,
Come on Monday.
101,
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Come on Monday.
Grateful, my lord.
102, 3, 103, 104.
Private. Please.
104.
You have the private respondent.
Lordship, I am for the state.
Mr. Ganguly,
And for the petitioner.
in the, all the private respondent.
Yes.
Hello. You got a report?
Lordship.
Yeah, yes, Mr. Ganguly, start.
My lord, this petitioner has lodged a complaint against her father-in-law and
Improper investigation. What is your grievance?
I don't know what is the fate of the investigation. Once I was called, thereafter I don't know what is the fate of the investigation.
Learned advocate for the state, sir. You got a copy of the report.
Lordship, a copy of the report is.
You have used two terms.
I have only one report, Lordship.
No, it's all right. You have used two terms. One is charge sheet, another is final report.
Lordship.
Charge sheet has been submitted. Private respondent.
We are not.
Instruction in it. Monday possible to come, sir. You bring a fresh report with details. How many witnesses?
This report I received yesterday.
No. But when a police is submitting a report, he has got to say when is the next date fixed before the court below.
Lordship.
This way of evasive report after conclusion of investigation, this delays whole of the proceedings. So bring a report which will incorporate a which will incorporate when have you submitted the charge sheet, when was the cognizance taken, what is the next date fixed, before which court it has been transferred. Come up with details. Otherwise, why is a 498 a case? You must have some sympathy upon the complainant.
Lordship, online order will recorded. Lordship.
Recorded for fresh.
And neighbors were entangled in 498 case.
We'll see that, sir. We'll see that. But let them first. He's according to her, she knows nothing about the case. What has been done?
They can.
You say.
They can go to the lower court. They can get certified copy. But the High Court is not the information.
No, but I'm wanting since he filed a report they have submitted. Now I want a report which is perfect. This much only. Thereafter they have got to go to the trial. I cannot conduct a trial over here. That much they know. A report ফেরত দিয়ে দিন, fresh report দিতে বলুন। এক লাইন লিখে দেবেন একটু। A fresh report be submitted by the state, which would include all the details regarding the present status of the case before the jurisdictional court, including the next date so fixed. Details of the charge sheet as to how many witnesses have been examined by the investigating officer be also furnished in the state report. If the case has been transferred to any other court, the details of the state court be also furnished in the state report. Full stop. Let such report be submitted on 11th. The matter will retain in the
12.
আচ্ছা 12 তে ফাঁকা আছে ছোট ম্যাটার করে দেবো তাহলে ফরওয়ার্ডার্সে রেখে দিয়ে করে দেবো on 12th of November 2024, when the writ petition will appear under the heading for orders.
Well, the affidavit service may be kept in the.
Affidavit service so file be kept.
I'm grateful.
এটা শেষ করে দিন না এই পর্যন্ত 118 পর্যন্ত ডেকে দিন না তাহলে আমার কাজটা শেষ হয়ে যায় ডেকে দিলাম 105 come on Monday your petitioner is not there.
Chalo. Madam, 106, Madam, I'm appealing for the private respondent. Madam, there's a writ petition, Madam, over here. Madam, for example, the private respondent here, Madam, has filed a writ petition previously, which was heard by my Lord Justice Bharadwaj, Madam, and is returnable on as per your the previous order.
Petitioner come on Monday. Come on. You are
Does the writ petition be tagged with that?
No, on Monday I'll pass this order.
Very good. Deeply good.
107 I beg to appear for the petition.
Come on Monday.
108, 109.
For the petition.
Come on Monday, sir.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, I get Monday.
No, that 104 and 109 is the husband and wife.
Other side is not.
Other
there.
side is the same. It will be same other side.
So they are not coming. Why?
No, I don't know why they are not coming. I don't know why they have not received. Well, can you fix it on Tuesday?
Let it be there on the list. You mentioned the matter. Chalo. I'll call.
110, 11, 111.
I am paying for the petition.
I'm appearing for the state.
Is there any private respondent?
Yes, madam.
Then come on Monday, sir.
Private respondent, bank is the respondent, my lord. There are huge fraudulent transaction in my account.
Come on Monday, sir. Monday it will retain its position. If
One line order to be passed, my lord, it's regarding answering respondent is.
order you have taken a resolution where no order can be passed in absence of a party. Not in,
Madam, since my landfill is appearing for the state, madam, let there be a direction upon the cybercrime or police station to submit a report as to how
that order will be passed on Monday, sir. The bank authorities are not there. You take resolutions.
Why
So,
submit it to my lord?
we'll see. I have not seen the matter. I have not applied my. Come on Monday, I'll pass the order, sir.
let it remain in the list as it is.
Yes. Thanks.
112, 113, 114, 115.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, your lordship. This matter became infructuous.
Infructuous, because the permission for
Setting up bookstalls, temporary bookstalls.
Learned advocate appearing for the petitioner submits that the purpose for which the writ petition was preferred has become infructuous, and as such, she do not intend to proceed with the writ petition. Mr. Banerjee, learned advocate, appears on behalf of the state. Accordingly, WPA 25804 of 2024 is dismissed as not pressed. Server copies.
Any number of like
170,
This matter has some urgency. 18.
17 also become infructuous.
You are appearing in which matter?
In 18 minutes.
Why was this writ petition filed? 117.
My, sorry. 17 কি বলো আমাকে দাও the joint platform.
Yes, one person.
Oh, well, this is for rally. It has become infructuous.
Learned advocate appearing for the who is for the state in this matter? No.
17 minutes.
Oh, right.
To appear in this matter. Learned advocate appearing for the petitioner submits that the present petition was for permission of a rally of a procession. Learned advocate and the same has become infructuous. Mr. Banerjee, Mr. Amitesh Banerjee, learned senior standing counsel, appears on behalf of the state in view of the submission so advanced by the petitioner. WPA so and so is dismissed as not pressed. Actually, sort of 25845 of 2024 is dismissed as not pressed. Actually, what happened?
Well, this matter has some
urgent similarity. Who is appearing?
Come on Monday, I'll take up.
But can it be similar in some priority? Because I tell you, Your Worship, why? No. Because
Come on Monday. So I'll hear you. I'll hear you, sir.
yes, Mr. Bagchi and Mr. Banerjee.
I'll tell you, sir, I've taken it, Justin.
Mondir Tala
Last
bus.
suggestion was Mondir Tala bus stand. Near that, I have spoken, but there is an extremely crowded area. But the commissioner said, I'll deploy forces from everywhere and provide it. But he has only requested it for 3 days, if it could be 2 days. Because that is the only thing that, because he said my force will be here, everywhere else will be neglected. That's why instead of 3 days, there will be 2 days.
Well, 2
That's
days
all.
is okay. Well, and the chief secretary department would kind
That's what I'm not saying. And that
I'm
is
the-
real.
কি বলছিলাম ওই অ্যাড্রেসটা পাল্টে give the address to my court officer.
মন্দিরতলা বাস স্ট্যান্ড।
মন্দিরতলা বাস স্ট্যান্ড।
ওইটা যা আছে ওই হাওড়া ময়দানটা কেটে দিয়ে মন্দিরতলা বাস স্ট্যান্ড করে দিন।
নবান্নর কাছে।
আর ডেটটা এই কোথায় ডেটটা করে দিন
11-12
এটা 11 থেকে 13 লেখা ছিল ওটা বলেন আছে কি বললাম
ভিসাটা করে গেছে গাড়িটা নিয়ে আসবে
তলা বাস স্ট্যান্ড full stop. Accordingly, the petitioners are allowed to arrange such demonstration on 11th and 12th of November 2024. Full stop. At the end of the demonstration, on 12th of November 2024, the petitioner will constitute a 5-member committee who would 4 p.m. 12.
5.
No,
No, I had a talk with them, Malad, because the program will continue at around 5, Malad, if they are being asked. I have asked them at what time. I have specifically spoke to them. Because
the chief secretary available, I cannot.
On that day,
Malad, 4 p.m. okay. If it falls from your lordship, 4 p.m. Official hours.
5-member committee who would be allowed to meet the chief secretary at his office. The petitioners would submit their deputation and or demands before the chief secretary. Full stop. Police authorities are directed to deploy.
There are certain conditions normally in a court's part. I'm just giving the any other order from the order these are available.
Oh yeah, equivalent.
এই ফোনটা দিয়ে দেন
Adequate police force so that there are no untoward situation or inconveniences caused to the public at large in the vicinity or in respect of flying the vehicles. আচ্ছা কি আছে দেখি
This was regarding a Doriana crossing. This is more or less past in
এইটা একটু টাইপ করে দেবেন তো আচ্ছা state on behalf of the state certain conditions have been forwarded to the court. The petitioner would I'll just check it. I'm just incorporating. The petitioner would
I'll take a printout and give of this and give it to you.
My lord incorporates it as a lordship feels and
I may
yes,
not
yes,
accept
I will give a printout. Your lordship pass whatever.
yes, yes, yes.
On behalf of the state, আচ্ছা the same are set out as follows. এগুলো দিয়ে দেবেন একটু petitioner undertakes that they would abide by the aforesaid conditions so imposed. আর তো কিছু নেই 4 p.m. they will meet the chief secretary. Just communicate that on 12th. 5-member team you allow.
I will give a printout of this to
Yes.
your lordship just now.
আপনি
Printout দিয়ে দিয়ে দেন।
একটু সাজিয়ে দেবো আপনি
তোমার
একটা
এখানে
draft copy
printout হবে? হ্যাঁ ওইখান থেকে দিয়ে দাও না।
with the aforesaid observation WPA 26613 of 2022 is disclosed.
কাকে WhatsApp? ওই নাম্বারটা নিয়ে WhatsApp করো। কোন নম্বরে WhatsApp করে বলে দিন?
Yes, Monditola bus stand as has been,
I'm grateful. I'm grateful.
and I have instructed Mr. Banerjee to inform a 5-member delegation would meet.
The advocate general is there. He will
No, advocate here and approve. Stand, communicate.
But these matters are best left to Mr. Banerjee.
Deeply obliged.
I'm grateful.
ডেকে যান বাকিগুলো ডেকে যান
121,
এই এক মিনিট এটা দিন
123, 190.
then 90. Hundred 19, 120, 121.
I'm for the third, 21, 121.
Come next day when you. Next, chapter 122, 123.
122, 123.
Your Lordship, in this matter, the state was supposed to submit a report because one of the petitioner has passed away on the last occasion.
The
Yes.
petitioner has passed away. Come next day.
My lord, I am appearing for the NCB led by Mr. Arun Kumar Maiti. We have verified and the petitioner in item number 223 has passed away. Report.
220.
122.
123 has passed.
122, who is appearing?
122, your 22, your Lordship, I am appearing led by Mr. Shobhoshaji Banerjee.
And 123?
One.
You are appearing?
Yes. No, এটা report নিয়ে এসছে, copy টা। ওটারই extra copy রয়েছে বলে।
লাগবে না।
লাগবে না, লাগবে। নামটা লিখে
Rao Bipun Kumar is your own cadre or a deputy on deputation? You
My
give a
lord,
report to the High Court, you don't give a date.
My lord,
Which is the last report?
my lord, we have received 2 analogous reports. I have submitted both.
That is why I'm saying this is 23/9/2024. This is what they have done. And this is the report. Report along with the inquiry conducted relating to the genuineness of the death certificate relating to the accused Rajiv Mohta, who has challenged the proceedings in CRR 555 of 2021. 555
দেখে নে, check করে নে।
has been submitted by the learned advocate appearing for the Narcotic Control Bureau. Acha. So you have not completed genuine, sir. You have not conducted, you are not saying that these are genuine.
My lord, as far as the information received by me, the officer had gone to Woodlands and they had confirmed that this person has
So
expired.
they have to write that, sir.
My lord.
They will say they were going, doing, check the papers. They will not write that they are confirmed this person has died. এইসব ডেপুটেশনে অফিসারে ভরে গেছে সিবিআই, ইডি আর সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টে, কোনো কাজ করে না। কেটে দিন। NCB is directed to firmly state in their report whether the petitioner in CRR 555 of 2021 is alive or dead. Let such report be submitted. পরিষ্কার কথা লিখবে না, গামাচি যাই টেবিল ওয়ার্ক করলে তো এটাই হয়। Let such report be submitted by 8 তারিখ সামনে সপ্তাহ ছুটি by 22nd of November 2024 when the revisional applications will appear under the same heading. Reports are submitted today before the court. Be kept with the record.
Deeply obliged.
Next.
Your Lordship, I have handed over the order.
Yes. হ্যাঁ ছাড়ুন না, পরে দেখছি, আপনি দেখে যান না।
My lord, I'm led by Mr. Rud. My lord, next week.
Well, this is that application wherein wrongly Lordship had passed that, my lord, order or judgment. My lord.
Have another side.
No, we have now. Lordship had directed to serve on Miss Shreyoshi Biswas. We have served on her on the day itself. I've got the letter with me.
Next day come, because today you have taken an absurd resolution. Chalo, next, chalo.
Anyway, grateful, my lord. I can't say, my lord.
Resolution also. 25 ছিল এটা।
123.
ডাকুন তাড়াতাড়ি।
27. পরের কথা 28.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner. Lordship, there was a direction upon the state to file a report.
Come next time when it is called.
Very
Let them come.
grateful, Lordship.
29.
But I'm happy with the petition order. But then we have prayed for a modification of the order, my lord. So for my learned friend is appearing, my lord. Now there is a direction for furnishing a bank guarantee of 5 lakhs, my lord.
This application relates to return of the
Vehicle.
vehicle. My lord, your lordship was pleased to kindly come to my lord, page
Page
13
13 of the application.
application.
এখানে application. So what?
Rupees 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs bank guarantee and local security, but I cannot arrange for my local.
লোকাল মানে কোনো কেউ চেনেই না।
No, I cannot arrange. My, if your lordship kindly, my lord,
Reduce it.
consider this as
10 lakhs rupees bank guarantee দেন, তাহলে এটা কার order?
5 lakhs bank guarantee 5 lakhs. That I can arrange.
Done and petitioner has drawn the attention to the allegation. When was the
Since
where is the order?
Yeah, page 13, my lord.
Page 13, my lord.
In
13,
application, my lord.
13 তো নেই, last page তো
In my application, my
The
application.
modification application, my lord.
modification application can number what?
1.
One.
Oh, can 1.
Yes, my lord. এটা দিয়ে দিন।
Can 1 দিয়েছেন, দেননি তো। Can 1 তো আসেনি। ওই ওদেরটা নেবো কেন? Can 2 আছে, Can 1 তো নেই।
Can 1 is better. Can 1 না?
Can 1.
Can 1. Can 1.
এদিকে আবার কত চলছে কে জানে। পেয়েছে? পেয়েছে।
হ্যাঁ 129.
কার কি এক্সটেনশন নাকি? তো সারিউল কাজী কার ক্যানওয়ান এখানে আছে বিশ্বনাথ প্রসাদ সিং এক্সটেনশন অফ ইন্টারিম অর্ডার স্টিল অ্যান্ড মেটাল কোম্পানি কার কি দিয়ে ক্যানওয়ান ইজ নট ওভার হিয়ার স্যার সরি
না রেকর্ডে থাকতেই হবে।
রেকর্ডে থাকতে হবে এটা 130 129 এটা 130 ক্যানটা এখানে ঢুকে বসে আছে
130টার মধ্যে ওটা ঢুকে জানি তো
এটা 130 ফাইল দিয়েছেন আমাকে
130টা ঢুকে জানি তো হ্যাঁ
পেয়েছেন
ওটার মধ্যে আছে
যাবার বিজয় হয়ে গেছে ছেড়ে দিয়েছে 10 লাখ 5 লাখ 5 লাখ to furnish 10 lakhs rupees guarantee, sir. Instead of another 5 lakhs rupees bank guarantee.
5 lakhs guarantee I can arrange.
Another 5 lakhs.
Five
Rupees.
local.
So 5 lakhs local you are not giving.
No, I'm not. I cannot arrange.
You cannot arrange. To ensure then 5 lakhs rupees another bank guarantee.
It cannot be used. It is for the
Huh?
This amount can be reduced, my lord. 5 lakhs.
Can it be reduced to?
Yeah, yeah. 5 lakhs.
Bank guarantee.
5 lakhs I can arrange.
But 5 lakhs bank guarantee you have given.
Yes.
So for local, no person is willing.
No person.
You are from where?
From
Malda.
Malda.
And the case is from?
Malda.
হ্যাঁ
এলাকার লোক এই দিচ্ছে না এই অবস্থা
Malda.
5 lakhs local means nobody is willing to come out with a title deed.
Nobody is coming in.
এই credibility তাদের ব্যাংক করতে কোনো কনফিডেন্সই পাবে না
No, since 1922, my lord, the car is being exposed in the sun. It is already my lord, damaged.
1922
22.
1922
না রে এই 2020
2022. No, 2 years.
যাক ভালো to give another 5 lakhs bank guarantee.
Another 5 lakhs.
What is the vehicle?
Trawler.
ও ট্রলার এরকমে করা যায় না ভাই
মালা কালি মাইলে যায় মালা
আমি পারলেও করবো না 10 লাখ টাকায় দিয়ে
business temper I'm become penniless.
you are a penniless businessman.
Due to this within my lord.
You have your own house. You have your own house.
Yes.
Certainly, my lord. That matter instruction has to be taken.
Take instructions 5 lakhs or 10 or 1 rupee local surety same thing.
Local surety, I cannot do.
Huh?
I have tried hard, but I cannot. Local surety.
Can it be reduced to 2 lakhs?
Local surety nobody is willing to come in your favor. Have a credibility বাজে no relation
Kindly make it 2 lakhs more, 5 lakhs and 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs bank guarantee more.
What is the price of the trawler?
এখন কত পাচ্ছে
22 লাখ টাকা দাম আছে at that point of time 2014 এর
আর কত
22, 23 lakhs.
At that material point of time.
Trawler means flying in the
There are eight tires, 6 tires.
8 wheelers.
8 wheelers.
The chassis is 22 lakhs, 23.
so finished car is how much?
Finished car is near about 7 lakhs more. 5 to 7 lakhs more. Then 28, 29.
I have arranged. I have
ওখানে কিছু মেনশন নেই
Kindly make it 3 lakhs. 5 lakhs and 3 lakhs. Bank guarantee.
আর 5 লাখ টাকাই তো দিয়েছি
I cannot. 3 lakhs without instruction and I'm taking submit.
20 লাখটা 1/3 ছেড়ে দেবে তো আর আসবে না এটা মেঘালয় বিক্রি হয়ে যাবে
কাটিং হয়ে যাবে ওটা ড্যামেজ হচ্ছে
Damage হয়ে গেছে ভাই সাথে
ডে বাই ডে
damage day by day, my lord, since 1920, 2019, 222, my lord, 2 years, more than 2 years.
চলে আসুন এটা করেই দিয়ে এটা আর 3 লাখ টাকা ব্যাংক গ্যারান্টি দিয়ে দেবে এখন petition acha the earlier order dated 7/3/2024 directing the petitioner to furnish bank guarantee of 5 lakhs and a local surety in the form of title deed of the property amounting to rupees 5 lakhs is modified to the extent that the petitioner would furnish bank guarantee of 8 lakhs before the learned aid special court. Other terms and conditions which have been imposed in the order dated 7/3/2024 would remain unaltered. Accordingly, CAN 1 of 2024. CRAN 1 of 2024 is disposed of.
Get.
30, Your Lordship, I appear for the petitioners. Your Lordship, this is a assigned matter, Your Lordship.
Do it.
I heard instructed to appear on behalf of the opposite party, private.
You have instructions.
Instructions, but the learned.
So why are you appearing
suffering-
today?
No. He has called me. He's suffering from high fever. He could not attend the court.
All right, next day.
Next.
Next
day,
whenever it is called. These matters are there in the list. Go on following whenever it is called. These are priority matters.
But this is my application, this is my petition. This is the son is missing. Police last occasion, police says they are almost traced the son.
We'll check where it comes. Chalo, next is ডাকুন আমার লাগে।
I am for the. We'll remember it's that matter. On the first day of the vacation bench, in a sealed cover, we have submitted the written notes of argument along with the judgments which we have relied upon. So, my lord, tumi jano na. My lord, Mr. Roy is not there. Yes, he's not there today. My lord, can we please come back tomorrow?
Tomorrow, Saturday, I won't come.
My lord, Monday. Let us come back on Monday. Keep it on Monday, my lord.
কখন লিখবো এগুলো আমি তো বুঝে
আমি বলছি সোমবার দিন আসি আমরা তো অলরেডি দিয়ে দিয়েছি
you have received the copy?
No, my lord. Today I'm going to give right now, my lord.
Go through that. Matter is there in the list. Let me clear the group 9 matters. I will definitely.
Yes.
We will come back on Wednesday.
You
Because
come,
I also
matter
need
is
to
there in the
consider-
list. I'm
Yes,
not
yes.
passing any order.
Yes.
As and when I just get a breathing space.
Usually
I will-
Lordship takes up on Friday, so we'll come back.
Fridays I'll keep priority.
written notes জমা দিয়েছো?
Next Friday is a holiday.
শোনা তোমরা?
You understand?
আচ্ছা।
Thereafter, on 22nd, I'll take up the matter.
As your Lordship.
My lord, my learned friend has not yet submitted any written notes of argument.
So by 14th of this month, we will submit because just now I received it. I will read it.
Go through that. If you have anything to add, you add. Submit a
If he is factually correct, then Lordship, we will consider his is a good submission.
22nd, then I'll. আচ্ছা এটা একটা লাইন নিয়ে নিন। Learned aid advocate ওই সব উইথ করে দেবেন হ্যাঁ 132 to 134 learned advocate aid for the petitioner in CRR 1242 of 2018 has handed over a copy of the written notes of argument to the learned advocate appearing for the private opposite aid party. Full stop. Private learned advocate intends to deal with the said written notes of argument. Full stop. If further written arguments are to be submitted, learned advocate for the opposite aid party would prepare and be ready to furnish the same before this court on 22nd of November 2024 when the revisional applications will appear under the same meeting.
Deeply obliged. Extremely obliged.
Lordship can take note that they are not willing to file. So
Lordship, in item number 132.
130.
For pre-
Whoever has filed, I have given them the date. That was on 14th. You file your reply 22nd, probably I'll complete the whole.
Deep your.
This is my application.
Come next day, sir. Next.
I am applying with the petitioner.
একই অবস্থা, চলুন চলুন। Come. আর 37 nobody is opposing. Where has he gone? Mr. Karan?
Karan, Mr.
হয়ে গেছে আজকের দিনের মতো অনেক হয়ে গেছে। কাম নেক্সট। দেখে যান, আপনি কি চাইছেন নাকি?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the petitions being led by Mr. Piyush Chaturvedi in this matter. He is not available today, Lordship. Kindly.
In fact, it is on a routine basis, my lord. The STO, my lord, calls upon to decide the date.
All right, I'll hear you, madam. Just wait. Today you have taken a resolution where I can't
Yes, my
do
lord, I
anything.
can
Right, Lordship.
Keep a track on the list. Just let me. I'm not getting a breathing space from Group 9.
Right, Lordship.
Once that list is controlled, maybe
Definitely.
regular on Fridays, I'll keep these matters for hearing.
As your Lordship deems fit. Grateful, Lordship. Lordship, 140. I'm for the petitioner bank, Lordship. It is a Group 9 matter, Lordship. Because of Lordship, Section 14 order was passed by the London District Magistrate in the month of February 2024. Till date, no intimation with regard to the quantum of police cost has been intimated to the bank. This is why recovery of more than 4.44 crore has been stalled.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, এইটা কি না?
If your Lordship kindly take it up next Monday, I've been informed by Miss
Who is appearing?
Shongita Rai to seek for accommodation on her behalf only for today because of the non-appearance of the state.
আচ্ছা, এটা কি Thursday? Let this writ petition appear under the heading to be mentioned. Writ petition appear under the heading to be mentioned on 14th. 14 তারিখে দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। On 14th of November, report টিপোর্ট আনাতে হবে, তার আগে হবে না। On 14th of November 2024.
Lordship, I shall formally communicate her. I'm grateful, Lordship. Did it.
দেখে যান।
144, my lord. Can 3 is my.
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Can 3 is my application for addition of party.
My application for restoration is pending, my lord.
Who is for the state? You are for the state.
I am for the board of work.
State is a party. Written state কোথায়? Come next day. এমন রেজলিউশন নিচে চলুন ডাকুন, হয়ে গেছে। Come next day, I'll take it up. সব টাকা হয়ে গেছে তো, আর কিছু না। কাকে দিলাম বলুন তো? একটা 15 না? আপনি সাপ্লিমেন্টারি লিস্ট পাবলিশ করে দিয়েছেন একটা 15, বেরিয়েছে লিস্টটা?
Only thing is that private respondent is going to organize the function under the banner and logo in our name. I made a representation to the officer in charge. My lord, tomorrow they are going to organize, my lord. Earlier occasion, my lord, I just, my lord, direct to officer in charge to take a decision and with all the, my lord, relevant document.
OC will consider.
Yes, my lord.
Two things. Cannot be decided like this. My lord. Two things I would like to point out.
You have already granted permission.
No, my lord. They have not granted
I
permission.
just pointed out two things. There are two organizations on a resemblance factor. One is spelled like Maji,
orderটা দেখো একবার হাই কোর্টে
MAGH.
my lord, I just citing one order.
ভাই তুই কি বলবি না আমাকে
না
বলতে
ঠিক
দে।
আছে
Maji. Now he belongs to one categories. They have done their program on the 6th. Now the other organization supposed to held on 10th. They wanted to stall that particular program. It between the two parties, faction of two parties. Well, the state have nothing to do. This is basically has to be decided by whoever civil court or otherwise. The permission which he has obtained, enjoyed, and utilized. Now the other person is coming with a different Maji names. Now they are trying to stall the same.
No, my lord, not a different name. My lord, my lord, kindly see, my lord, they have. I am not disputing that. Hold their program, but my name, not. If my lord,
You are an individual who is trying to oppose. You are who? Shuklal Hemram.
my lord, represented by Bharat Jagat Maji Pargana Moho.
So what can be done? So you go for cancellation of the name.
I am not going to cancellation. I have raised an objection, my lord. That has not been decided. That is annexing for page 14. That should be with a derived document. If I have no problem,
Is OC the authority to decide?
my lord, SP should be.
So where have you given it to the SP?
My lord, I have not given, my lord, but earlier occasion, my lord, one similar kind of.
No similar prayer, sir.
My lord,
whatever is before me is before me.
my lord, kindly my lord, OC should be, my lord, with a relevant.
No, sir, relevant means that if they are conducting a legal program, you don't have the documents, permission has been granted or not.
No, my lord,
program.
my lord, no, my lord, subject to my lord kind consideration.
And
they are
have
not
made us
my
a
lord,
party even.
No, I have made a party, my lord.
You have not served Bablu Mandi.
Yes, my lord, I have served.
Where? Give the affidavit service. When have you served?
My lord, yesterday I have sent the, my lord, yesterday, my lord. I have sent a advance notice, my lord. I have sent, my lord. Only thing is that, my lord, they are not going to organize legal program because, my lord, kindly see.
Legal program. Legality will be decided by an organization of the state.
My lord, kindly see the advertisement. Just 2 months, my lord, page 15.
Go to the civil court, decide they don't have the power thereafter.
My lord, only one thing, OC should be decided, my lord, that page 14, my lord.
So if DM has granted permission.
No, DM has not granted permission, my lord.
Then they
because without taking
on an apprehension and on photostat copies, I can't pass on.
My lord, without, my lord, they have not taken permission, my lord. My lord, they have not taken permission from anywhere.
So very good. They
have not permission, we will not allow them.
But they are allowing, my lord. They are allowing.
Like, what kind of
my lord, kindly see this. My lord, they are allowing. My lord, kindly record the submission that if no permission is granted, my lord.
How is he in a position to say in an unlisted motion say, let him then take instructions? Monday I will consider.
My lord, Monday 11, my lord, kindly see the page 14, my lord, should be decided.
You have instructions from the administration.
I have a very short instruction. If your lordship kindly allows me, I will show the differentiation of the two organizations.
So that I don't know. Have you given permission?
They have obtained the permission earlier on the 6th. They have obtained the permission.
You have granted permission to this.
To the 10th, to the
this particular enclosure.
Not so far. Not so far. We will decide this.
That's why I am saying.
No, you cannot on apprehension. Court cannot pass an order.
No, my lord, they have not.
Somebody walks in the street. You can say he cannot walk in the street.
My lord,
court will decide that.
My lord, that should be, my lord, decided, my lord, permission should be.
When is that date?
My lord, tomorrow, 9th.
Program. You seek necessary instruction. See, you are not going to civil court. You are coming to the writ court. Writ court cannot decide the title, which organization.
No, my lord, I am not going to the title.
No, then you cannot do the case also. I
just, my lord, only I made a representation, my lord. They have not any document, my lord, showing that they are
organization conducting Bharat Jagat Maji Pargana Mohol. I am disputing about that. My lord, kindly see their advertisement.
Decide, sir.
Huh?
That I will decide or the OC will decide. If DM has allowed them,
My lord, DM has not been allowed them.
then very good. Then
Without allowing them, my lord, kindly record their submission that, my lord, they have not given any permission.
He has got a cryptic information. You are moving an unlisted motion. You must have limited.
My lord, kindly, I just praying, my lord, kindly, I made an application that should be decided in accordance with law.
So
14.
OC will decide. You think you are making a dangerous proposal to the High Court. Huh? OC will decide. Huh? You tell me. You had enough time for obtaining a civil injunction. You had
My lord,
enough time.
earlier occasion, my lord, High Court had directed, my lord, I have an order. My lord, kindly see the order. High Court in a similar prayer.
Rely upon this one.
My lord, High Court has directed, my lord, kindly see the order.
If he insisting me, then I will be placing his case on paragraph 3 onwards. Kindly have a look into that. Paragraph 3 onwards, what kind of submission is this? There is no prayer, even though the representation which he has made, he said, we do not believe on that particular worshipping of the particular person. We are believing on the such and such. Therefore, you don't grant the permission. Is this a ground?
My lord, if that is, my lord, I have a document. My lord,
Somebody can be a supporter of East Bengal.
Get their registration cancelled.
My lord, they have not registered. I have registered organization. I have annexed that.
You bring an order from the civil court in under this name. Except you, nobody can conduct any function.
My lord, how, my lord, because, my lord, I have a register of Bharatiya Jagat Maji Pargana Mohol is my organization. My lord, kindly see their advertisement just once, my lord. Page 15, my lord.
Who without an affidavit, how can I say you were correct?
I just like to draw my lord kind attention page 15 at once, my lord. Page 15.
These
My lord,
two registration number are different.
yes, my lord.
I've seen that.
My lord, kindly see.
Name is also different.
My lord, but no, my lord, kindly see page 15 at once. I just showing, my lord, page 15. It is their advertisement. My lord, second page line, Bharat Jagat Maji Pargana Mohol. They are using that. Bharat Jagat Maji Pargana Mohol. I am disputing about that. I am not disputing
This is
about.
an ideal case of the passing off, of the trademark passing off. He has to obtain an
Bharat Jagat
injunction.
Maji Pargana Mohol. They are not registered because Bharat Jagat Maji Pargana is mine. I am not disputing everything. I just disputing about that. Bharat Jagat Maji Pargana Mohol. Second, also my lord 16. Sarvabhrihot Samajik Sanghathon Bharat Jagat Maji Pargana Mohol.
So they have their registration.
Yes, yes, yes. Two
In different
registration
names.
numbers.
In different name.
That is there as yes.
This
name there should be deleted. Bharat Jagat Maji Pargana. This is my.
Oh,
that is there in Bengali and English. You have a different construction only.
construction. MAGHI, MAGHEE.
In
And Mahal is also different.
They are using that, my lord.
MOHOL.
My lord, they are using that. My lord, I just let the.
Which one? Bengali, you have not got the registration. In English letters, you have got the registration.
Yes, my lord.
sir. So if in English letters, the letters are different and the society has registered their organization also.
Right.
How can a court of law or
That's why, my lord, because I have registered that, my lord, let there be a the decision, my lord, should be taken because
OC will take that decision?
I don't, SP, my lord, kindly direction should be passed upon the SP because earlier occasion High Court has, my lord, granted, my lord, kindly see that SP, my lord, to the SP, my lord, kindly see the order.
No, you have not given any representation to the
My lord, earlier occasion, my lord, I am not, my lord,
Kindly have a look.
kindly see, my lord.
এক মিনিট লর্ডশিপ ওয়ান্ট টু
কিছু নেই
কোনো দরকার নেই
আনলিস্টেড এর জন্যই তো আছে
My lord, kindly, my lord. SP, my lord.
Petitioner disputes that এই নামটা নেবেন ভারত জগৎ মাঝি মহল is an organization whose name is being misutilized by another organization and a program is being held by the private respondent numbers 4 and 5. Mr. Shengupta, learned advocate appearing for the state submits that both the organization, এটা যেটা আছে ভারত জগৎ মাঝি মহল যেটা আছে, and what is the other?
This is also my lord. Bharat Jagat Majhi Pargona Mahal, in bracket, Traditional Social Institute.
Just give
My lord,
I
I will just, yes, I will provide.
ওনার কাছে একটু নিয়ে নেবেন।
এখানে তো এরকম ভাবে লিখে দেয়, রেজিস্ট্রেশন নাম্বার দুটো আলাদা লিখে দেয়।
Are having two different registration numbers with the register of societies. Full stop.
হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ হ্যাঁ দিয়ে দিচ্ছি।
If the petitioner has any dispute or difference regarding the name being used, the same should be brought to the notice of the register of societies and or approach the civil approach the civil court for cancellation of usage of such name. Full stop. Presently, the writ petition has been preferred with a communication made to the officer in charge. This is what Kharagpur police station.
Kharagpur local police.
Kharagpur local police station. Presently has been preferred. Judge, police station. Full stop. The officer in charge is not the authorized person to decide the same. Full stop. If permissions have been granted by the appropriate authorities.
No, permission has not been granted, my lord.
I said if permission has been granted by the appropriate authorities, the officer in charge has no jurisdiction to interfere, and his role is only to render police assistance. Full stop. Learned advocate for the state would inquire and submit a report, would direct the appropriate authorities to inquire and submit a report before this court. List the writ petition under the heading for orders on the 14
But
November.
only thing subject to my lord kind consideration, if permission has been granted, I have no case. My lord, if that is not been granted, my lord, that no program shall not be, don't have not organize any program on 9 and 10.
That how can I say nothing?
Because my lord, just one line, because my lord,
say that how can I? He will obtain a report, submit before this court. If illegally they have conducted a program, then I will take steps. They are not. How can I pass that order? They will submit a report. Once he informs, the administration will see.
Whether my lord any report has permission has been granted or not.
That is the report which
Yes,
he
my
will
lord.
furnish. That is why I am keeping the matter.
Obliged to my lord, obliged, deeply obliged, my lord.
Because the time has not been elapsed.
Huh?
Time is still there. We can grant him the permission, we can reject the permission.
I am not interfering
My
with
lord.
that. আর কিছু নেই তো?
ঝাঁপিয়ে পড়লে হবে ছোটখাটো মামলা এরকম ঝাঁপিয়ে পড়ছে আমি কনসিড করবো কনসিড করতে আরে এখানে ভাই এটা স্পেশাল বেঞ্চ এটা জানো এই বেঞ্চে মেনশন হয়
আপনি তিনটের মধ্যে লিস্ট
মেনশন করে
বুঝলেন, তারপরে ভাগ করবো যে
মেনশন করে
যতটা অ্যাড হচ্ছে না
মেনশন
প্রথম থেকে আবার কল করবো না ওই ৭৪ থেকে কল করতে থাকবো। No today.
আজকে নেই, আজকে হ্যাঁ আজকে নো মেনশন আছে।